Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the second item of the sixth lesson, manufacturing industries. Already we have seen the cotton textile industry, so we are moving to next one, that is iron and steel plant. Then we want to study software technology parks. Three things we want to study from this lesson. Cotton textile already we studied, then iron and steel plant, then software technology parks. Okay, first one we are going to see iron and steel industries. We want to study Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, then Bhilai. All these four places it is coming in Jharkhand, then Orissa and Chhattisgarh. And another two places, that is Vijayanagar and Salem. Vijayanagar it is in Karnataka and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Like these six places we want to study in iron and steel industry. Which are the places once again? Say with me: Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar and Salem. So these places, please learn the places name: Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar and Salem. Jamshedpur you studied in 8th standard when you studied about iron and steel industry. We studied the details of Jamshedpur. Then other places it is when we taken the lesson we have studied. You can means which places are familiar to you people, that according to that you can arrange and study. Okay, so we will see that one in the map, then we will come back to software technology park. In the map many places given, but we want to study only 6 places. We want to study only 6 places. First one it is the Durgapur. Here you can see Durgapur. Let me take different color ink, then you can understand very easily. Durgapur, this is in Orissa. That is in West Bengal. Then next one it is the second one it is Bokaro, that is in Jharkhand. Then Jamshedpur, that also in Jharkhand. Then we want to study Bhilai, that is in Chhattisgarh. Then we want to study Vijayanagar, that is in Karnataka, and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Like this 6 places only we want to study. 4 places here in 3 states. 1, 2, 3, 4 states, and here in 2 states. Other places are there, but we don't want to study. Like that Burhanpur is there, then Visakhapatnam is there. That areas we don't want to study. Only 6 places. Please learn now itself. I will make it bigger, then you can see it clearly. Okay, Durgapur, then Bokaro, then Jamshedpur, then Bhilai, then Vijayanagar, Salem. When you are making this one in your I will send this photo also after this video, then you can see this one very clearly. If you want, make it bigger and see it, and try to do everything, all the map in outline map. If you are learning with this state map, a political map of India, then in your board exam if you are getting the outline map, it will be difficult for you people. So please do it with your outline map. Please draw outline of India and do it. Then it will be easy. If they are giving political map, it will be more easier. Or if they are not giving political map, only outline map, then also you won't find any difficulty. Otherwise, if you are learning with the help of these lines like this, the state lines, then where it is coming like that, then in the outline map it is difficult to locate the places. So locate it clearly and neatly. You can see like that. With the state you can learn, then you know where is that state, very easily you can do. Okay, we are moving back to software technology packs. We can see software technology parks we want to study, and iron and steel factory we want to study 6, and software technology we want to study 8. Which are the places? Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Trivandrum. Okay, look at here. Noida, it is coming in near to Delhi. Gandhinagar, it is coming in Gujarat. Mumbai and Pune, it is coming in Maharashtra. Hyderabad in present Telangana. Then Bangalore in Karnataka. Chennai in Tamil Nadu. And Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. So we can see the speciality. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, Hyderabad capital of Telangana, Bangalore capital of Karnataka, Chennai capital of Tamil Nadu, Thiruvananthapuram capital of Kerala. Like that, 5 capitals plus Noida, Gandhinagar and Pune, like that 3 more places we want to study. So once again read loudly which places we want to study: Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Trivandrum. Last year it was 12 places they studied, and here you people want to study only 8 places. Okay, so we are moving to the map. We will see that one in the map. We can see here Noida, it is coming first one it is Noida, second one it is Gandhinagar, third one Mumbai, fourth one Pune, fifth one Hyderabad, sixth one Bangalore, seventh one Chennai and eighth one Trivandrum. Once again we can see that one in a bigger way. Noida just after this is Delhi. We can see Delhi here. This small area it is Delhi, and the Noida is the means touching it is in UP, but it is the boundary of UP and New Delhi. And now presently it is Delhi is already congested, so many industries and so many offices they shifted to Noida now. That is a faster developing already developed city now. Then next one we can see it is here in Gandhinagar, that is in the just above this corner of Gujarat. Then Mumbai you know already. Then just after down little bit right side, that is Pune. Then Hyderabad, it is in the not in the middle but just down of middle, that is in Telangana, that is Hyderabad. Again Bangalore. Then we want to study Chennai. That is Chennai also, like in the border it is coming, Andhra and Tamil Nadu border area it is coming. Chennai, after Chennai directly it is coming Andhra Pradesh. Then Trivandrum. These 8 places we want to study as what? Software technology packs. Last year they studied Mohanalli, Jaipur. Then again they studied about Kolkata, like that for then Mysore, like this different places they studied. And this year we want to study only 8 places. Once again, Noida, then Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Trivandrum. Only these places we want to study this year. Please study it neatly and clearly, and your homework, like every day, please draw 2 maps separately. One is iron steel plants, second one software technology park separately, and with a head name, because it is thematic map, so we want to make the name of the map what it is. Some software technology parks or important software technology park, like that also you can give name. And another one thing, please, once again I am saying, please make it in outline map. Don't draw the political map, then it will be difficult for you people to identifying in the board exam time, because if we are not familiar with outline map, only doing with political map means it will be really a difficult task in front of you people. And instead of Noida in upside of Delhi, we are marking here downside. If you are marking here the downside of Delhi, then we won't get mark. It is that also the border area of Delhi and UP, but we won't get mark. So we want to learn like this, keep some scale or like that something, and then learn it how we can mark it. If you are making some lines, like if you are making the line like this, just down of that one it is coming. And from here, if you are making one line like this, just after means right side of that one it is coming. Then if you are keeping like this, after 1 centimeter it is coming Mumbai, and then after that just means not even half centimeter, that much difference, and downside half centimeter down and half centimeter right side it is coming Pune. Like that, if you are understanding, it will be very easy. Then when you are coming to this down part, you can make here, you can see here in a different way I will explain. This is the nose of a one person. Here we can see nose of one person. Can you see this one? and this is the lips, and this is the then here this is the forehead, and you can see in the middle of the forehead where the ladies are keeping the what we can say that bindi, that is the place where we can see Chennai. And afterwards one lady is just after bath, she is opening and keeping her hair in upside and throwing like that, and there also you can draw one line to left side, and above that 1.5 centimeter above we can, here it is 1 centimeter, and above 1.5 centimeter above you can see Hyderabad. Please take your scale ruler and measure it and do it. Then downside near about 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter here and 2 centimeter here, that is Bangalore. Then downside, that our coastal area, that is easy to identify. So like this, if you are keeping your scale and doing measuring and doing, then with outline map it will be easy for you people. Which map you are drawing, according to that. If you are getting the very small map in your board exam, they will give 1 page, full page like this, your textbook size map only usually they are giving. So you can measure with the scale and you can do it. So make some lines wherever you are getting chance. If for example indoor, if indoor we don't want to study, so if it is there indoor, then you can make keep your scale like this and make a small line with your pencil and measure how much it is and what is the difference this one. So it is coming near about 2 centimeters and half centimeter upside, then which place it is coming, that is indoor. Like that also you can mark it. So according to your convenience you can associate in different way and make it. So we are studying today this sorry, not cotton, iron and steel industry, then software parks. 2 things we are studying. Please make your map and send it today itself. Thank you.